have extra rows in your Excel worksheet that you no longer need? In this tutorial, you will learn how to delete one row, multiple rows, and blank rows safely. The safest beginner method is to use the row number on the left side of the worksheet. First, click the row number you want to delete. Make sure the whole row is highlighted, not just one cell. Now, right-click the selected row number, then click Delete. Excel removes the entire row and the rows below it move up automatically. To delete several rows that are next to each other, select the row numbers together. Click the first row number, hold your mouse button, and drag down to the last row you want to remove. When all the rows are highlighted, right-click any select row number, then click Delete. Excel deletes all selected rows at the same time. Sometimes the rows you want to delete are not next to each other. Click the first row number, then hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click each extra row number you want to delete. After the rows are selected, right-click one of the selected row number and choose Delete. Excel removes all selected rows even though they were in different places. You can also delete rows from the Excel ribbon. Start by selecting the row number you want to delete. Then go to the Home tab. In the cell group, click the arrow beside Delete. Then choose Delete Sheet Rows. This does the same thing as the right-click method. It just uses the button at the top of Excel. Here is one important mistake to avoid. Don't click only one cell if you want to delete the full row. If only one cell is selected, Excel may not remove the entire row the way you expected. Always click the row number first. Also, pressing Delete key on your keyboard usually clears the contents of selected cell. It does not delete the full row. And if you delete the wrong row, press Ctrl Z right away to undo it. Quick recap. Select the row number on the left. Right-click the selected row, then choose Delete. For multiple rows, select all the row number first. Then right-click and choose Delete the same. For separate row, hold Ctrl while selecting, then right-click and choose Delete. Continue improving your Excel data skills with the Working with Data in Excel playlist, or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.